Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to increase font size on messages on iPhone. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on your messages. Okay, then your all text size is long. देखिए, then text size is long. Okay, then back settings, click on search bar, then search on text size. Okay, then text size volume is up. Okay, then down, swipe left. Okay, then volume size is down. Then check your messages, then all text size is short and down. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.